Welcome back to Sue's, and what you're seeing in front of you is we are talking about flowers today. And what you're seeing is the longest crop times to transplant outside. So as you go down this list, you see we have lots of variety here, lots of cool stuff. Not all of these plants need transplanting, but there are some that do. Remember, there's cool season annuals, so that means they can go outside into cooler environments sooner than anybody else. You have warm season ones, the plants that really like it warm, like pepper likes it warm, so then some of these plants also like it real warm, so you can't do them too soon. But we're going to talk about transplanting today and some tips, tricks, and timing. So with these seeds, as we said, there's quite a variety here that some of them are really, really tiny. And I'm going to show you a demonstration, and I have to be careful not to sneeze. So in this spoon on your left, then is Nicotiana versus sunflower here. So as you can see, the Nicotiana on the left is very, very tiny. If I sneeze, it's gone. To try and seed that plant then is very difficult. One of the other things I want to talk about Nicotiana in other plants is on the package, it says needs light to germinate. That usually means it's on the top of the soil. We do not cover it. It also means you need to take care with watering it. So when you water something like this that is on the top of the soil, you actually have to mist it. If you try and water this plant with a regular watering can, you are going to find that you're burying those plants and knocking them over. So you want to mist them. These plants are roughly 10 days old, so it's really small. Where these little guys, and these are closer to 6 weeks. So you see there's a huge difference from this to this, and you have to allow for that in your timing when you're starting your plants. So we have this real cool, we put together just a real quick cheat sheet on transplant time. So the numbers in red, and we'll share this with you. Please give us a call. We'll share with you. Means that's how many weeks the seed company recommends that you grow them in the house before you put them outside. Okay, now you say to yourself, how do I do this? I mean, if you try and scatter down there, oftentimes like here, you might have 15 or 20. There's actually 24 seeds in here compared to 24 here. It's called lick and stick. And that sounds kind of funny. But you take a toothpick and get it lightly moist, and you touch the seed, and then you kind of shoosh it off onto here. So basically the point of today is there's a lot of variety in seeds and flowers. Flowers are great, they smell wonderful, but you want to, again, read the package. That's what those instructions are for. But meanwhile, give us a call. We have all these great helpers for you to get started with seeds in the house, whether they're flowers or vegetables. Please join us again. We're a little over halfway through, and we have a lot of other great stuff to talk about. Thank you.